Hi guys, it's the KV Media again, and today we're going to be doing the final unboxing for my custom. There should be a few more for Aaron's custom. Sorry if the cat's come by, we have two cats and they may come by. So we're going to get started. So I should have my deck and my fork, and Aaron, who's filming, should have a set of moves for him. So let's get into it. This knife is pretty rubbish. It'll work. Hopefully. Right, so sausage. So, get into the actual box. Right, so sorry about that, I just got a phone call. So now we're going to get right on into the box. This thing will actually open. So, this is what it looks like right now. So, most of it looks well nice. You can see Aaron's wheels. So we're going to start off with his wheels, and it came with some free stickers, so that's good. So Aaron got the blue on blue River Glides. They look absolutely amazing. I was going to get these, but I'm not sure if they would have matched my deck. That's why I went and got the ones that said teal. I'm not sure if these are teal or not. So let me just unbox this. They look well nice. Definitely probably one of the better wheels. They look so nice. Really good. They've got flash floor bearings in them. Not that good for now, but oh well. I think they'll get better once you've started actually riding them. Plus it's hard because my fingers aren't actually long enough, so they help me. But they look really nice. Definitely one of the top 3 wheels for me. These, either Protos or maybe the Root Industry wheels, they look well nice. So there's Aaron's wheels, so we should set them to the side here. They won't stand up, will they? There we go. So now I'm going to do my fork, and this is one of the things I'm really excited about. My deck came with a free sheet of grip tape, so that's there. So I've got some stickers. They look really good. And here's one of my favourite bits. My Apex Quantum Fork. Looks absolutely amazing. Definitely my favourite fork. It's just so good. High quality. So most of Apex, these things. Whether this is just going to come out, I'm just going to be difficult, I don't know. Sorry if I don't sound that good on camera, it's because I've got the cold. So, it does come with an integrated star nut, which is good. Here it is. Spacer. And there it is. Looks so nice. Absolutely amazing. Definitely my favourite fork. The only other fork I'd really ride would be a tilt fork. But this is definitely my favourite fork. Hoping that everything will fit fine with it. Should do. So there's that. Comes with the spacer. Which is good. set that there. My 3 sheet of grip tape. It's just normal grip tape, and have that spare just in case. Also, my Apex Quantum fork comes with free Apex sticker, which is really good. I love stickers. I think that's definitely something they should include in every order, like a sticker sheet with all of them. Usually they do. So that's all my ordering details, so set that over there. Now onto the deck. This is definitely the most exciting bit of my entire custom probably. I'll move that box out the way now. Oh! I can't. You can probably see it through there. There's the brake, just the end reflex fender on black. As I was saying in my other video, I'm probably going to give this to my wee brother because he probably needs it more than me. It comes with the and it is indeed the AOS V4 Waza Wazee Warp Beyond Sync deck. Definitely one of my favourite decks. I think it comes 5 wide, not sure how long. It looks absolutely amazing, I love it. Head tube angle is 83, the width is 4.7 in, 120mm, and length is 20.75 inches. Oh, 4.7 inches. Actually, I said in. And then 527mm long, so for a regular deck for those kind. Alright, okay. So it looks absolutely amazing. Definitely love the teal and black, the bandana. Comes with those little envy logos inside of it. It's epic. Definitely probably my favourite deck. So there's this. My Apex Quantum fork. Let's see if they actually match. They do match, so I could actually ride these instead, but whether my brother will stop, I don't know. Swap, I don't know. So this has been the unboxing. This is the final one, and now I'm going to go and build my entire custom. I've been waiting to do this for a year now, probably. I've been just collecting parts rather than getting them all at once because that would be like a really big order and really expensive. So I kind of wanted to just do it bits at a time. So let me just get the sticker off, and then I'm going to start the build. Just need to get this sticker off. There we go, so let's start the build. Right, so we're back. I've been trying to time lapse it and it's been going terrible. The grip jobs went really bad. I don't know if it's just because, I don't know. I done my brother's grip tape and that came out perfect. I'm just going to start because I had a bit of technical difficulties again with the likes of the brake. I was using the wrong bolt. Just try to make sure everything fits because I don't want to put it together. But so far, a bit of rattling that, so should fit it up a bit more. And make sure everything's absolutely tight. Make sure everything's dialed. Right, that's coming out a bit non-dialed, but oh well. Don't know if I can even get it any tighter. There we go. There we go. Much better. Brake. Tight. Right, so let's move on to the front end. Let me just tighten up this. I'm going to need a 6mm, so I'll be back in 2 seconds. Right, so I'm back with a 6mm. This is going to end up being a really bad video, but who cares? It's a video nonetheless. So I'm going to do this, probably going to do a scooter check after. Just need to make sure that I'll maybe do a diode check. Make sure it's diode, because diode scooters are good. Perfect. So it comes with an integrated crown race. So there we go. Pops on. So it's installed now. Top bearing. Compression ring. Top cap. If it will go on. Let's go. That's fine, good. Now let's see if there's a spacer. Where's the spacer? There it is. So we need my So it's on the back. I'm just getting onto the front bit. I had to stretch the clamp from my bars because, as some of you should probably know, I had my bars a lot before. They were like one of the first parts that I got. I'll be back in 2 minutes to need a bit of help. There we go. So we've got some iron. So I'm going to switch it around because it's in like the vlog selfie kind of mode. So I'm just going to switch around and then I'll get a few clips of it. So let's go.
I went to the mountains, fell in love with a piece. But no matter how hard I try, just can't get no sleep.
Yeah, Sway has arrived, keeping you up through the day and the night. Some wanna be baller, some wanna be G. Saturday night fever, but staying alive, it's the day in the life. Roaming the streets, hands in the air if you know you're a bullet. Let them phone the police, we never hide divisions, but we never came here to fight. Better press the top 5, there ain't no challenge.
Just can't get no sleep.
We practice and train in a place where there ain't no cameras.
Just can't get no sleep.
You better get ready like a sub when the bass goes bang.
Just can't get no sleep.
Climb up tables and we don't even take no ladders. They be looking like, where's your table manners? Let's go.
I went to the mountains, fell in love with a piece. But no matter how hard I try, just can't get no sleep. I said I just can't get no sleep. I said I just can't get no sleep. I said I just can't get no, just can't get no, just can't get no sleep.
Yes, I'm an all-nighter, I don't like rest. Nothing on me at my best. Selena Gomez, she got 9. 24/7, I aim for the heavens. Even when I was 11, heaven was found in the 7 minutes alone in my bedroom.